Bowling Green might be known for its caves and corvettes, but this destination has a secret ingredient, its culinary scene. In this episode of BGKY Eats, we are taking a look at local favorites, Boyce General Store and the Pie Queen. Boyce and the Pie Queen are home to some of the best breakfasts, burgers, and desserts in Warren County. We'll meet the owners, Brad and Bree Gallagher, as they tell us about their delicious pork tenderloin breakfast plate and some of the desserts they serve. They are participating in the Bowling Green Area Convention and Visitors Bureau's BGKY Eats route, as well as helping us celebrate Duncan Hines' birthday, the Bowling Green native and original Kentucky foodie who was born on March 26, 1880.
I think what makes our pork tenderloin special, it's locally grown, locally produced. It comes from the slaughterhouse just a mile up the road. I think it's important that we have that on our menu because it is local. You know, it's extra tenderized and it's good. I don't think there's really a recipe. The tenderloin itself is good already, coming straight from the slaughterhouse. I mean, it's fresh. We get it fresh every week. Our recipe is literally salt and pepper. When you've got good meat, pork or beef, you don't have to do anything to it. And so we just add that on to the plate with eggs and biscuit and gravy, and I think right there you've got a good country breakfast. It's pretty popular. We sell a lot of tenderloin biscuits, and then on the plate we do have some substitutions. You get tenderloin instead of bacon or sausage, but yeah, tenderloin we go through 10 to 15 pounds a week. So that's a lot for a small place like ours. But tenderloin biscuits is one of our biggest sellers, and they're really good, so I understand why.
Now, in honor of our cake mix king, Duncan Hines, let's turn to our Pie Queen.
Here at the store, I kind of say, whatever is my dream thing to eat. So I love fudgy chocolate and peanut butter. So like this pie that I created is the peanut butter swirl. So it's just a fudge brownie filling and homemade peanut butter swirled in the top. And then sometimes it's out of necessity. Gluten-free became really popular. My cousin loves coconut, so this crust is a gluten-free crust, and then the filling is like a fudge brownie filling. I'm just always trying to think of new things and new creations with things people say, oh, well, you've never had a pie with this in it. What about that? And then start cranking my brain on how to make that happen. This is a cake stand that I got at a Duncan Hines estate sale, and this actually, funny enough, the nest pie is what I won the Duncan Hines baking competition in 2015 with. It was something a little bit out of the box. We had to use a Duncan Hines brownie mix, and I came up with this pie, and everybody just loved it. So it's definitely brought the crowds in. It's unique and something different. You can be a little more experimental with the pie filling than you can with the cake, because there's not as much science in a pie. Like you can, I'm gonna swirl this in there and not worry about it not setting correctly and that kind of stuff. Normally you have a little bit more creativity ability, and I'm a very creative person, so I like to just what if I threw this in there, and what's it gonna do with that?
The Kentucky Department of Tourism has declared 2018 the Year of Kentucky Food, with a special focus on regional dishes. Inspired by local flavors, we'll explore restaurants in the Bowling Green area and hear what makes these plates stand out. Visit our website to learn more about the BGKY Eats Trail and our local cuisine. Thanks for watching, and make Bowling Green your next foodie destination.